Hello, if you're looking to make changes to the title on your property, whether that's adding someone, removing a name, or transferring ownership, here's a brief overview of how that process works here in Alaska. First, please keep in mind that the assessing office can explain the general steps, but we cannot prepare deeds or give legal advice. If you plan to complete the deed yourself, a title company can often provide a blank deed form. If you're unsure which type of deed you need or how to fill it out correctly, a real estate attorney can guide you and offer legal assistance. It's important that your deed includes the full legal description of your property. A tax lot number is not a legal description. It's only a borough-assigned identifier and can't be used on a deed. If you need the legal description, we're happy to provide a courtesy copy of the last deed of record. Please keep in mind, you will still want to verify the legal description for any changes since the last deed was recorded. Another important note, if you are adding someone other than your spouse to the title, this may affect any exemptions you currently have or qualify for. Please contact our office so we can review your specific situation with you. Once your new deed is completed, signed, and notarized, it must be recorded with the State of Alaska District Recorder's Office. Recording the deed is what officially updates the public record. After the Recorder's Office processes your document, they send a copy to us. We'll then update our records for assessment and tax purposes, ensuring notices and tax bills are mailed to the correct owner of record. If you have any questions about the general process, we're here to point you in the right direction. And if you need help preparing the deed itself, a real estate attorney is the best resource.